here the lit LED light kit for my TRX4 Blazer. I've already done some of the work. Now I'm really just doing the final install. So had to drill a couple holes and just putting the headlight buckets back in. I've used this lit LED kit for my Gen 8 and it's been a great kit. Very happy with it. Also have a kit from them for my son's Gen 7. Again, no issues. Highly recommend the lit LED kit. They can do custom kits. I actually picked up a kit for my RC trailer that I have not installed yet, that I'll be working on, and probably post up some results from that once that's done. The rear lights clip into the buckets. The side marker on the front clips in as well. It's just the headlight and turn signal on the front that had to be I had to drill a hole. I realized the TRD or the Traxxas kit, you know, it's a complete bucket and whatnot, but I've been happy with these kits so far, so I wanted to continue using it. So we'll get a video here in a minute of the final product. Alright, here they are installed. Front, the back, side markers, and I'll turn the lights off. Give you an idea how bright they are. Still need to do some taping of the wires and get them out of the way, but I like what I have right now.